Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to create a sign up sheet in Evite. So the first thing you have to do is log into your account and go to this section called or labeled sign up sheet. Click on it. It should take us to a new page where we'll be able to create different types of sign up sheets. So let's assume you want to create a sign up sheet for maybe a Okay, there are so many signups here: good class party, library volunteers, cookbook club. So anything you at all, you can create a 1 day sheet or a multi-day sheet. So let's just click on create a 1 day sheet, and then it will take us to a page where we can actually edit this page, the sign up page, and make it into an event where others can also input their details. So once on this page, we can add our title. So our title be? Let's say let me just choose labor day. Good. We can add the events and dates. Let me just choose 4th of June, time 3:30 West African time. No, let me choose something else. Let me say European Copenhagen. So save, and then we can add the description for the volunteers. You can add your location. You can also add your email address, your phone number, and add your address if where necessary. So the step 2 is the sign up slots and what you need. So you can click on this to include the time windows for the participants. You can also add another slot. So this once you are done with adding all of the sign up slots for this category, you can go to the next one, which is to go the extra mile. You can add you can create a wish list here, and your volunteers will know what they would need to bring. And then once you are done, you can publish it and send it to the right people, or to the right emails, or the people you have in mind and people would volunteer. So this is how to create a sign up sheet on Evite. If this video has been helpful to you in any way, please let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next one.